Hello guys, this is MTech here, and today we take a look at Jashen's V12 cordless vacuum cleaner. The V12 is a handheld battery-powered vacuum cleaner, which looks pretty similar to Dyson's V line of vacuum cleaners. However, unlike the Dyson, the V12 only has one Cyclone separator, which separates particles from the air using a miniature tornado. In addition to the vortex separator, the V12 also uses a HEPA filter, which is behind the stainless steel mesh. Alright, so let's unbox the V12. We first have a paper for quick setup, a short general use attachment, which has a slide down brush, 4 screws with drywall anchors for the charger base, a very lightweight aluminum extension piece with a quick release button, a soft brush for hardwood floors, a extra HEPA filter with mesh, a wall/ground charger base which has a locking mechanism, and 2 attachment holders, the battery and trigger assembly, the motor and dustbin assembly, motorized beater brush assembly with built-in LEDs and its stiff carpet brush pre-installed, a crevice cleaning attachment, and finally a screw hole template for the charger base. The V12 is pretty easy to use. Parts such as the battery, dustbin, and attachments snap into place. The cleaning attachments that come with the V12 seem to be pretty well thought out. Both of the attachments are designed with airflow in mind. The crevice attachment has a notch on the side and tip, which prevents the opening from getting clogged. The general use nozzle also has notches on the sides, which also prevents the opening from getting clogged. This is my favorite attachment due to the slide down brush attachment, which can be slid down. The brush attachment for floors is motorized and has 3 LEDs in the front. The 2 main wheels in the back are rubberized and rolls quite well on tiles and hardwood floors. However, on carpet, they tend to slide around. On the bottom there's a felt pad around the suction port, and at the edge there's a small roller. In order to switch out the brush between the carpet and hardwood floors, a knob with an indentation would need to be turned. It's quite difficult to turn without a tool, but a simple screwdriver or coin will do the job. The joint on the cleaning head has a wide range of movement, which helps cleaning under furniture such as chairs. While running, the vacuum cleaner is quite quiet. The charging system is also pretty easy. You don't have to fuss around with cords, and you can simply press the vacuum into its charger. And also the battery indicator on the V12 is pretty simplistic, with 3 bars representing the power level. In order to clean the dustbin, open the bottom and dump out the contents. Also, the manual recommends cleaning the HEPA filter every couple months. Simply detach the battery and twist the motor off, and this will expose the HEPA filter and its mesh filter. Overall, the V12 vacuum cleaner works pretty well on hardwood floors. It was able to pick up hair, dust, and crumbs, and was also able to easily reach under furniture. On carpet, it was able to clean the surface pretty well, picking up dust and hair, but it wasn't able to deep clean the carpet. At a fraction of the price of a Dyson, the V12 is a pretty good handheld vacuum cleaner. However, I would recommend it mainly for hardwood floors and as a sidekick to your main vacuum cleaner for situations where you're too lazy to bring out your main vacuum.